Yo, what's up, guy? Welcome back. Today we're gonna solve a video problem. There's a find the maximum length of value subsequences version one. What does it mean? That means tomorrow will be version two. All right, but let's focus on today's problem. That is, you are given an integers array nums. The subsequence sum of nums with length h is called valid if it satisfies um, as you can see, every two consecutive uh, element in the subsequences have that is that have the same parity. Parity. Actually, parity is they are being equal. Yeah, it's I mean a modulo parity. All right, back. So it's like for example, you got one, 4, 5, 7. You can see two element. The system is 4 and is mod 2 equal to 0. 4 plus 3 plus 5 is 7. 8. But mod 2 equal to equals to 0 2. It's the same as this. So this is a valid subsequences. All right, understand it? So we need to return the longest valid subsequences. Subsequence, actually subsequence of nums. A subsequence, you already know that. Yeah, that means we can select some non-consecutive elements in the original array. Okay, let's take a look at the maybe the second example. Let's one one two one two one two one two one two one two. Or you could see, yeah, to every each two consecutive element in this subarray subsequences is is odd. This problem is quite easy. Yeah, if you pay attention pay attention a little bit about the essence of parity of this modulo 2. First of all, that is, we got a if you got an even number plus an even number, that result an even number too. That's obviously okay. Is 0 mean even and 1 mean odd. Okay, if you plus you get the sum of an even with an odd, you're gonna return get an odd. And the same with this, right? But when you plus two odd number, you're gonna receive a even number, right? Those, okay. So you can see we got an array, right, like this. Okay, and the if this is parity with this, that means is yeah. For example, the first one sum is 3 and it's the odd, so this must be odd too, right? This must be odd too. You can see to make it odd, we got two way. That is get a even number stand next to an odd number and vice versa, respectively. I mean, um, so if the first element is an even number, the next one must be the first one be an odd number, the next one must be an even, and the next one must be an odd, and the next one must be an even, and alternatively, yes, do it alternatively. So the same case as this, if you start with an even number, so it's like you just find the in this case we need to find this. Just check if you see an element, the next element must be you know must be opposite. I mean, if you pick a even number, the next one must be odd and vice versa. And how to make it as long as possible is my solution is pick, just keep picking from the first element. For example, you got a 1 2 1 1 2 1 2. You could pick this and 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 pick this. it might be optimal. We use a readme method here, but let me prove. If you ignore the first one, you choose the second one, it's not better, because if you choose this, that means you must choose this is even, then you must choose an odd number. That is, it's like, but actually if you choose this, and that means you could choose anything from the previous, the left, on the left side, that is opposite. I mean, two is you must choose one, and you could choose this. But for example, this is two, this is two. So choose this or choose this is not different. So I just prove that choose the first element always the best choice. You could ignore it. It's my optimal, but it's not as optimal as the first one. Because you just I mean, if you can, for example, if you pick this, uh, and the previous you got an odd number, even number, why you don't choose this? You choose this obviously, but choose this, it increase the size of your subsequences by one. But if the previous is an odd number too, so you select this or this is still the same, no doubt, whatever, I don't know whatever, but whenever you choose the first element, it's always most optimal. Okay, that is the case. Alternatively, the second case is like 0 0 here in a that means on the number must be odd. For example, this is so this is quite simple. You just select on the, because we need to select the subsequences that's not continuously, that's not continuous, it's consecutive. So you could choose on the even number. That's the maximum way. Okay, but you cannot form another way better than that. Because you select on the odd number. There's no odd to choose more. And the same as even too. So I mean even I mean this is even and this is odd. So this turn now count on the odd number, count on the even number, the mass of them, and remember to count alternatively this. So it's going to be 1, so count 2, and I will count, just count, okay? Return max, count, 2, count, uh, 4 for only nums, plus this, 1, this, and counts, we need to store the previous one, from previous slide. I don't know what to, I don't know, just choose, okay, just choose, we choose this, we choose the first element, and the previous line, okay, else if p plus c is like, I'm sorry, it must be different from the first element, right? So it's like different from current. So we will choose this and press okay, that's it. Spend too long, but it's too easy. All right, just got set. It's pretty easy, right? Have a nice day.